Hello everyone, greetings for the day. Welcome to our channel Arunachala ECE. Myself Pugal Priya, Assistant Professor from ECE Department of Arunachala College of Engineering for Women. See, every system has its own advantages and disadvantages. In this way, COVID-19 also brought us the advantage of e-learning. This video lecture gives an introductory part about the subject communication networks. So this is the syllabus provided by Anna University Chennai for 2017 regulation. First unit is regarding fundamentals and link layer. Second unit is about media access and internet working. Third unit is about routing. Fourth unit is transport layer, and the last unit is application layer of communication networks. And first, we must know what is communication. Communication means exchanging of information by speaking, writing, or using some other medium. We can say television is an effective means of communication, WhatsApp is an effective means of communication. Nowadays, Google Meet, Zoom Meet also become effective means of communications. And next, communication networks means it is a group of devices that use a set of common communication protocols over digital communication for the purpose of sharing information. The devices are identified by host names and the network addresses. And the next is OSI model. This communication network is fully about OSI model. First, we must know what is OSI model. OSI means Open System Interconnection Model. And this OSI model was designed by the International Organization for Standardization as a reference model for open communication through various technical systems. And there are 7 layers of OSI model. Layer 1 is physical layer, layer 2 is data link layer, layer 3 is network layer, layer 4 is transport, layer 5 is session, layer 6 is presentation, and the last layer is application layer. So remind this for 7 layers in sequence. You can have in mind this sentence, that is, please do not touch Selvi's pet animal. In the place of Selvi, you can place any other name starting with S. And this P stands for first layer physical, D stands for data link layer D, and third layer network is indicated by this N. T stands for transport, S stands for session, P stands for presentation, and the last A stands for application. These 7 layers of OSI model are classified into 3. The first 3 layers, physical layer, data link layer, and network layer, together are classified as hardware layers. And the last 3 layers, session layer, presentation layer, and application layers, are classified as software layers. And the layer in between hardware layers and software layers, that is transport layer, is the heart of OSI. That is very important layer in this OSI model. When a sender is sending the data, he is starting with the application layer, last layer. When the receiver is receiving the data, the communication is starting from physical layer towards application. And there are different purposes for different layers of this OSI model. And the first, physical layer, that provides a physical medium through which bits are transmitted. In physical layer, the data will be in bit form. And in the second layer, data link layer, is used for error-free transfer of data frames. The bit data in physical will be converted into frames, bit frames in data link. The third, network layer, is responsible for moving the packets from source to the destination. So once again, it is a very important layer. And the fourth, transport layer, that provides reliable message delivery from process to process. The session layer is used to establish, manage, and terminate the session. And the presentation layer is responsible for translation, compression, and encryption, etc. And the last layer, application layer, that provides services to the user. So user friendly application is application layer. These are all the some definitions of OSI models again. The different data format will be there in different layers. And the name protocol is not the name from some other world. It is a set of standard rules that allow two or more entities of a communication system to transmit information via any kind of variation of a physical quantity. That means a set of rules followed should be followed by the sender and receiver as protocol. This is the detailed view of OSI model. First physical layer is having this medium, and data link layer, third one network layer, fourth one this transport layer. In the session layer, the sixth one is presentation layer, and this application layer, that is user friendly app, will be used and ready to communicate. And there are, as we know, engineering is not studying from some other something from some other word. It is about the things what we use in day-to-day life. And so some examples of applications in our hand nowadays is Google Meet, Facebook, then video editors, WhatsApp, YouTube, photo collection, such whatever may be the applications, apps we are using is falling under examples of applications of communication networks. So when there is WhatsApp communication happening between a transmitter and the receiver, this is the procedure to be followed. So a transmitting device should have the Android device, so that the application software of WhatsApp should be installed in that Android. Receiver also should have that Android device, and the application software of WhatsApp should be there in that Android device. So this is the rule, set of rules should be followed. That one, some of the rules followed should be followed as a protocol. And when sender is sending the information, so starting with the application layer, that is 7th layer, then 6th to presentation layer, session, transport, network, data link, physical. So the physical link of sender will be connected through this physical link of receiver, and again upwards, physical layer to data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application. Finally the application software, that is sender's application softwares and receiver's application software will be in connection. So with the platform of Android, the sender and the receiver are communicating through WhatsApp. So that is a better example of this communication network. And for example, me and you communication, if I am using a Google Meet app and you all also using Google Meet app, we can share the data accordingly. Okay, so I am starting to send the data, starting with the application layer, coming downwards and reaching the physical layer. Now physical layer is linked with you all Google Meet's physical layer, then that is going upwards, physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, finally application layer. Okay, so in physical layer our data is in the form of bits. In data link layer the data is in the form of frames, and in network layer the data will be converted into packets, and in transport layer the data will be converted into segments, and in session layer protocol data unit is used in session, presentation, and application layers. The protocol data unit used in session layer is SPDU, session protocol data unit, and in presentation layer presentation protocol data unit, and in application layer it is application protocol data unit. So that's all about introductory part of this subject, communication networks. Thank you for listening. For further detailed videos, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.